Hey there, Greg Marchand here. Effective communication skills for shop leaders. The key here is effective, right? We all communicate in some way. I hate to say it, but a lot of times in our world, it is through yelling and screaming and getting upset. Yeah, that's how I learned to be as a technician. I get it. But look, you want to be effective in terms of communication as a leader. Number one, you have to be consistent. You have to treat everybody the same within the framework of rules and culture that your shop has developed. Number two, you've got to recognize that everybody communicates a little bit differently. Just like in all our sales programs, I say, present information to a customer verbally, visually, and in written form. I suggest the same thing as a shop leader, whether you're talking about ownership, management, or shop foreman. If you're a shop leader, you need to put everything in writing, because that is a form of communication, and that also ensures everybody sees the same thing. You need to put it forth in a group meeting so that verbally and probably visually and probably written form as well, so that everybody sees and hears the same thing at the same time and gets an opportunity to provide feedback. When do you hold those meetings? That's coming up in another video. But consistency is a real key. Calm, even-keeled demeanor, listening. It's more important to be interested than interesting when it comes to dealing with communication with those that work for you and with you. Listen more than you speak, and you're going to develop effective communication skills. Keep up the great work and never stop learning.